steps.
Oh, yes.
Going back, you can ring the bell. It's fun and annoying.
No, ring it.
Will it disturb your
My Disney experience?
Disney experience?
No, it won't.
No? Yes!
It won't disturb me at all.
You are my kind of
Vehicle
people.
Park in 1958, based on the 1916 American Fire Truck runs on the I look better in low resolution.
No way! You look great!
The lighting is perfect.
You look amazing right now.
Almost blackout condition. These days, see it while we're moving, hands, arms, legs, feet, sides, supervise children. We will read speeds upwards of 5 miles.
Oh, dear.
Oh my
Oh,
gosh, we don't even have seatbelts!
Tuck and roll.
It's tuck and roll, okay.
If you
Roll
get
out.
scared, just do what I do when I drive. Close your eyes.
Yay! We got this!
boy. Oh, there you go.
Oh no.
Oh, wait.
We are at Disneyland!
I don't know if she knew a song to go with the bell.
No, she's got everything to go with the bell.
We here, Mickey! We
He's like, what?
are at
See, you can do him too.
I know, right?
He's like, what? He's looking to the
Ding,
wrong.
ding, ding, Disneyland! Disneyland!
You're gonna annoy these people.
I'm sorry, guys.
On YouTube.
I know, right? Disneyland!
Yeah, go for it.
Disneyland!
At least you don't have a bell at home, right?
Disneyland!
Right?
Yeah, that's all I gotta say.
Sorry about it. Woo! Hello! Disneyland!
Kimberly!
Bye, Kimberly. This is for you. Hello, Disneyland!
Oh my god.
Merry Christmas! It's almost Christmas, everyone!
Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving!
Yeah, first. Don't forget Thanksgiving.
Y'all gotta survive Black Friday! Almost!
I say we gotta survive this ride.
Yeah,
I'm just teasing you. I'm
We
just
do, we
teasing
do.
We gotta survive hearing that bell in your ear.
We do, right?
If we make it through that, we will make it.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Disneyland!
Oh, great. We changed it up, but we were saying let's go.
Disneyland! Disneyland!
Oh, wait. Okay.
Wait.
Disneyland!
Driving 6 miles an hour so you get there. Next one, 1
What's
mile
another song?
over.
It's a small world after a world of
My ears are bleeding.
You gotta put it all the way back there.
All right, ready?
Let's go! Let's go!
Right?
Yeah, that's
We're
good.
having
We
a
gotta,
good time.
you know.
We here!
Now you can go.
Wow, I've never been kicked off a
I
street
know,
car
right?
before.
You've never ridden with her.
But we had fun, right? We had fun. Thank you for the
You did
ride.
an excellent job. You're gonna have to get a bell for the car.
I know, right?
Great on long family trips.
No.
Very
Thank
relaxing.
you.
Have a great day.
Guys, have fun.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.